How to fix mirror or inverted video call on WhatsApp. Hi everyone, welcome to the channel. This is Rose, and without further ado, let's dive right into the video. To fix the issue, launch settings on your phone. Scroll down. Locate apps. Now tap on app management. Tap on the search bar at top of the screen and type in WhatsApp. Open the app info section of WhatsApp. Now scroll down. Tap on Storage Uses and tap Clear Cache. This will remove temporary files on WhatsApp. Tap Force Stop and then tap Force Stop. Exception may occur if an app is forced stop. After that, you simply need to restart and test. Open WhatsApp again and you can easily test the WhatsApp video call. And the issue should be now resolved. So I hope this guide was helpful. If it was, then do like, share, comment, and don't forget to subscribe. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.